You don't belong here.
You don't belong here, Milan. Go home.
Weapons don't belong here. Give them to me.
Why?
Because you don't belong here.
We don't belong here. It's just not natural.
Maybe I really don't belong here.
You don't belong here. I'm afraid it's time for you to leave.
Ugh.
You have no lifeline. You don't belong here.
Fine, I can be honest. I don't belong here. In fact, I never wanted to come here in the first place.
We don't belong here. Hey, this place isn't our home.
I don't belong here.
Don't belong? Every bear belongs here.
I don't know where you came from, but you sure don't belong here.
You don't belong here. Now take this mechanical asshole and get it off my fucking street!
I'm in love with Clara.
Oh, man. Doc, we don't belong here. Neither one of us.
What is your name?
You don't belong here.
Unlike you, I had to work hard to get into the SCARE program.
That's because you don't belong here.
I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
No, I don't think you do either. But neither of us can do anything about that now.
It's time to go home.
What? With my tail between my legs.
We don't belong here. I am tired of these people, and I am tired of who you are around them.
They don't belong here, Sid. Whatever they are, wherever you found them, take them back.
Nanny, I'm not getting rid of my kids.
You don't belong here.
Yeah, of course. This is your room.
I mean, you don't belong in the Jade Palace. You're a disgrace to Kung Fu, and if you have any respect for who we are and what we do, you will be gone by morning.